How to set up Voice AI on your device. First of all, make sure your Windows desktop meets the system requirements for running Voice AI. You'll need an internet connection and a working microphone for proper functionality. Next, download the Voice AI application from the official website or from trusted sources. Be cautious about where you get the software to avoid malware. After downloading, run the installer and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation process. Once installed, open the Voice AI application. You will be prompted to sign up using either your Google account or an email. Choose the option that works best for you and enter your details. Click on Continue with email. Once you are in, Voice AI will connect your account to OpenAI and set things up automatically. You will need to configure the settings such as setting up your microphone. The app will also guide you through calibrating the microphone for optimal sound recognition. Then, tap on Let's Go. After setting up, it's time to personalize your Voice AI. You can create a profile, set up voice commands, and train the system to recognize your voice better. Some Voice AI apps allow you to customize commands or add specific tasks like opening application or controlling your system. Here it asks you to choose a plan, monthly or quarterly, to access the full AI voice experience. You can select a plan that suits your needs or continue with limited features if available. And that's it. Now you know how to set up Voice AI on your Windows desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.